Ever wondered how to capture the timeless charm of plaid in stunning, handcrafted tiles? First, gather your supplies: plain tiles, acrylic paints in your chosen plaid colors, paint brushes of varying sizes, a ruler, a pencil, and a sealant for finishing. Next, lightly sketch a grid onto your tile using a ruler and pencil. This will act as your guide for the plaid pattern, ensuring even lines. Begin painting your vertical stripes using one of your chosen plaid colors. Maintain consistent spacing based on your grid for a uniform look. Once the vertical stripes are dry, repeat the process horizontally with another color, creating the basic plaid intersection. Now, add depth and complexity by varying the stripe widths and layering additional colors strategically to mimic the traditional tartan weave. Enhance your design by incorporating thin accent stripes in contrasting colors to further define the plaid pattern and add visual interest. After the paint is completely dry, apply a sealant to protect your design and provide a durable, glossy finish. And there you have it, beautiful, handcrafted plaid tiles ready to add a touch of classic elegance to your home decor or digital design project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tile designs.